I'm Scott DeGiorgio with Sun Repair Collision. Here to show you a quick, brief overview of what we have. This is complete repair information, both collision and mechanical, for every vehicle on the road. It's OEM data, complete for every vehicle with a common lookup and navigation. So let me just show you a little bit. Pick a vehicle. By selecting a vehicle, year, make, and model, you go from 1960 to 2022 vehicles. They're very current. You can pick your vehicle. And you can do a few things. You can search the material that you're looking for, the OEM procedure. So if you want to search a feature to replace a quarter panel, if you need to do that, you can start to type in and it'll give you a direct connection to the quarter panel, and what it will return to you are data cards. The data cards will give you every operation you need to do for that process. So if you want to remove and replace that, this will give you 100% of the OEM information and tools required to do an accurate and effective repair that you can do much quicker and more efficient than you'll have in the past. In addition to that, we have quick reference guides for tough items like ADAS. If you want to know what ADAS repair is, you can just click on ADAS quick reference, and that'll list, in this example, all of the ADAS features that are on this vehicle. You can select the one you're looking for. If it's a cruise control system, that will give you the ability to go through with your data cards again and give you step-by-step procedure on how to do a repair. There's nothing quicker and easier in the marketplace to provide you all of the OEM information